GLM-130B is quite an interesting model. This is an open bilingual English and Chinese bidirectional dense model with 130 billion parameters, and it has been pre-trained using the algorithm of the General Language Model, or GLM in short. Let me quickly show you the page for GLM. So as you can see, this is quite a mature technology in terms of research, as this GLM improves blank filling pre-training by adding 2D positional encodings, and it also allows an arbitrary order to predict spans, which result in performance gains over BERT and other NLU tasks. Now, this GLM-130B is right now in the GitHub repository with the open source code, and you can run it today and also fine tune it. If you read their GitHub repo README page, it is really very impressive. It is bilingual at the moment. It supports English and Chinese. It is better than GPT-3 175 billion and also various other models. The performance is better than Titan, and also if you look at other few clue data sets, it is also 12 more than 12% better. The inference is also very fast, both for SAT or faster transformer, and all the results, 30 plus tasks in total, can be easily reproduced with open source code and model checkpoints. It is also supports cross-platform on NVIDIA, DCU, and Sunway. So I will post a link to this repo in video's description, and I would highly encourage you to read through it because it's very interesting and full of knowledge. And if you're looking to do something model training with Chinese and English, I believe this is one of the best model out there. Thanks for listening, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much.